having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with.
Hey beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're doing something different. As you can see, we're in the kitchen today, and also I'm collaborating with someone special. I'm so excited. Let's welcome her.
Hi, I'm Brony Panenga, and I also have my own YouTube channel.
Yes. Also, it will be down in the description box. She's also doing natural hair videos, so go check her out. As you can see, her beautiful hair. Go check her out. But today we're making Christmas cookies, and she's a pastry queen. I know nothing. Okay, she's going to help me. Everything is already prepared, and we're going to start now. So yeah,
I'm excited.
I'm also excited. Where do we begin? Guys, we look lost. Okay,
It's our first time making sugar cookies, so it's a little bit, you know.
Yes. But everything is already on the table to make things easy. So yes, let's start. I actually already told you we know nothing, so we found the recipe on Pinterest and we're going to work with that recipe. Okay?
We will put the recipe down in the description or on the screen.
Yeah. The video we just watched says we need to mix everything together, so we're going to mix everything together. Okay. So now we're going to put the butter in first
And the sugar to kind of mix it.
So now we have butter and sugar.
Butter, sugar.
Butter, sugar. What that means?
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh,
We got some Santa aprons.
We look cute together, guys. Okay, so we already mixed the butter and the sugar together, and now we're gonna add our eggs and 2 tablespoons of some vanilla extract. Yay!
So now we're going to put it in the bowl. In the bowl. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
While the butter is mixing, we're going to add the flour. Brony is going to add the flour.
Little by little.
Little by little, as she said. Don't dump it. I would have dumped everything in it, but she said
That's not how you do it.
okay.
I'm the baking person of the family.
She's the baking queen, so we're going to listen to her.
in my heart.
right here. It's very sturdy. I placed it in the fridge for an hour, and now we're going to roll it out. She's putting some measurements, some little stuff, so we can roll it out. Set up everything. As you can see, we also have our cookie forms right here. They're not a lot, but we're going to work with what we got or what we have. And we have our dough right here. It's like a baby. So let's roll it out. Going to start with the first one, our stocking. Dip it in the flour.
Gonna make it from scratch, but we're gonna use this Pillsbury fluffy frost, and we're just gonna whip it up so it can become even more fluffy, I guess. Hi boys.
We're finally done, and I must say I'm satisfied with the result. Like, this is what they
It
look
was our
like.
first time, and
Yes.
they came out like this, so I think we deserve a like from you guys, you know.
Pretty
and
sure.
comment down below what you think about our cookies.
Yes, and they're not even burned, you guys. That's what I'm most that's what I'm most excited about. But we're going to decorate now, and while we're decorating, going to ask me some Christmas questions. Guys, I have to say I didn't have any cookie cutters or cookie forms, and we
For
just
Christmas tree.
made this triangle to look like a Christmas tree. So
We had to improvise.
yes.
Okay.
So also we have on our phones how we're going to decorate it, or some ideas how we're going to decorate it. So yes, and while we're decorating, she's going to ask me some questions.
So my first question for you is,
Yeah.
why are you so obsessed with Christmas? Why?
Why does
Tell
that
me.
have to be
Yeah,
the first question?
please
But
tell me.
yes, guys, I'm obsessed with Christmas. Maybe it's because I was born in December.
No.
But I just like the vibe of Christmas. I just like Christmas lights, everything, the whole vibe of Christmas makes you feel very warm inside. I don't know how some people are not in the Christmas spirit, but girl, I am.
Okay. No, but guys, if you watch her videos, she bought so many stuff. I'm like watching her, and I'm like, why? Like, that's enough. She bought way too many.
I can't stop you guys. I can't. I really can.
You better.
Oh my god. Yes, I'm obsessed, guys.
Next question. So,
yes.
What is one thing you really want for Christmas?
One thing I really want? So, I haven't thought about that question. Really thought about that question. One thing I really want.
Okay, one big thing and one small thing.
One big thing is obviously to grow on YouTube, because I really want to grow. I really want to see some growth. Although I have already seen some growth in my channel, but you know, more.
Yes, more is also always better.
Yes.
Okay, and a small thing?
A small thing. Maybe it will sound cringy, but I want everyone to have a nice Christmas.
Girl, bye.
Bye. She's laughing at me, but I'm serious. I want everyone to experience or have a nice Christmas. Christmas doesn't have to always be with Christmas trees or Christmas lights. It's just the feeling of Christmas, or should I say, if you I'm going too deep, but yeah, I want everyone to have or experience a nice Christmas.
Okay, so your favorite Christmas song?
Has to be, maybe it's
Not All I Want for Christmas.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. That's
what I was going to say. That's really what I was going to say. But another one I have been liking is from, let's search it up. It's from Stevie Wonder. No, Stevie Wonder. Someday at Christmas. Someday at Christmas. Na, 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 na. Okay, I won't sing. Also, Snowman by Sia. And also, All I Want for Christmas by Kelly Clarkson, I think. But yeah. We're done decorated and we're so tired. Yep, as you can see on our faces, it's very late, but we're somewhat satisfied, or I'm somewhat satisfied.
I'm satisfied as well. Okay.
With the one I've decorated. She decorated a lot of cute ones, but yes, we tried, and I must say, for the first time we tried sugar cookies, rated from
1 to 10.
Okay.
A 9.
A 9? That high?
A 9.
I would
8.5.
Okay, I would go
because
with that one.
For the first time we did a very good job.
Okay, I would take it. Y'all,
And guys,
I've been
look how
eating
cute
this.
this is.
That's so cute. That's the one I like the most. And yes guys, so we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching this far. I've enjoyed making this cookie with Brownie. Thank you for being on my channel and agreeing to collab with me. We're very happy to have you on our channel, in our community. We're so happy. And if you guys haven't checked out her channel yet, make sure to go check out her channel. She makes some amazing videos.
Go ahead, guys.
Hair type. What's your hair type?
4B, 4A.
Her videos are amazing, if I should say it myself. So make sure to go check out her channel. Her link will be in the description box. Make sure to subscribe right now.
Yes.
Pause the video, go subscribe right now.
Right now, we're
waiting. Okay. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. We've enjoyed our company making this stuff and we're so happy with the result. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do it down below. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to share this link with everyone you know.
And also leave a comment down below.
Yes. On her channel, we also made something very delicious.
You guys really want to see that?
Yes.
So head to my channel.
Yes. Make sure to head over to her channel to see what we made over there. I can tell you, they're really nice. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Also what's it? Also doing natural. Okay.
Oh my god.
Awkward silence. Okay.
Clouds is coming.
Ako na hintay sugdi nga.
Okay, dinga.